So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this ponytail with these edges in 10 minutes maximum actually. So I'm going to take my comb and make sure my middle parting is perfect. Then I'm going to pull my hair back and take my hairbrush and brush my hair down as well. But if your hair isn't detangled like mine, then I suggest skipping this part and moving on to when I add water. Okay, so I brushed through my hair quite a lot. I'm taking my spray bottle, spraying the top of my head only. This is just because we need to make sure we can detangle the top. You're going to need to just brush the top of your head. There we go. I'm taking the gel and distributing it through the front of my head first. Then this side as well. Then take a bit in your hands and just do it on the top. There, and it's quite slick already. Add any more gel if you need it to be any more slick than it is, and keep brushing and slicking, brushing and slicking, changing between your hairbrush and the comb, or if you have a slicking brush that's even better, but I don't have one, so this is what I do. Then I'm gonna tie it because all of it's smooth, so I'm gonna tie it first and then do the edges. So taking the hairbands, I have multiple hairbands to tie this because they do break very easily. And I'm making sure I'm tying this hair as tight as possible so it doesn't come loose. Oh my god, there we go. Then pulling it like this to make sure it's tight. Then you need to take your hair gel again, that was a bit on my forehead, and you need to start doing your edges. It's gonna look white, but it's fine because when you put your hand over it, then the white stuff goes away. There we go. Did you see how easy that was? Like, it's so nice to do it with the comb, so that's why I always do it with the comb, and I don't really get an edges brush because the comb slicks the hair down and does the edges. And then onto the other side. I don't like this side of my hair because my baby hairs are weird, but I mean, it's better than, I can't complain, so. Okay, I'm getting some more. Why does it look like I have a blue thing? Okay, but, okay. So I'm doing the same thing here. I'm making sure my sideburns are like smooth back. And I am doing my edges the same way. Smoothing them down so they're not white. And then bow. You might have to do them a couple times just to make them absolutely perfect. I love to do that. And then make sure the back of your hair is smooth. And then there we go. Sometimes I undo my hair and then retie it, but this isn't bad, so I'm not retying it. Oh wait, no. I'm going to redo the edges because there's not... Okay, so I like them a little bit smaller than this. I'm sorry I didn't do this earlier, but yeah, I just prefer to have more than one. I mean more than two. Okay, I'm doing the same thing on here. And then just like smooth out the gel, which looks like dandruff. This hairstyle is so quick to do, I swear to you. Like literally, whenever I run late for school, I do this hairstyle because I can do this in 10 minutes. And maybe it'll be a bit messy, not as nice as this, but I swear this is one of the easiest hairstyles to do, and it looks like really nice. Like it looks like you take your time, but it's not, it doesn't take that much time to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please like. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and thank you for watching. Bye.